Hello everyone, True Zero Emissions here. Okay, so I just slid the wire inside there now, and it did fit. Look at that. It fit perfectly. It's as if the plug was made for a double wire. It just said, yep, we can fit one more wire in there. So as you can see, it fit in there perfectly, and on this side, what do we have? Yes, it's all the way out. Do you see how it's the same length as the other one? Because we definitely don't want that plug to not be all the way out. And also, very, very important, when plugging these in, it's important to hold the wires. I always hold the wires when I plug it in. I don't hold this. Holding this, I've seen the wires push out, even when I haven't touched anything, because I took this one apart, right? But even if with not doing that, sometimes the insides will get weak, or they're not plugged in all the way, or they might not be. There could be many reasons that plug will not stay there when plugging it in. It could just slide out, and then we have a bad connection if that happens. It's really important that these pins inside here be all the way out and slide into both sides. So it's important to hold both sides. Hold this side by the wires, and I hold the other side by the wires. I also make sure before I even do that they're all the way even. They're all even across the whole, this one just has 2 wires, but some have like 6 wires or 7 wires or 10 wires or even 19 or 20 wires, right, on balancing plugs for battery management systems. So when plugging those in, we have to make sure all those wires connect, every single one. Very, very important.